What is up everyone? In this video, I will be sharing 5 signs your Etsy shop will be successful in the coming new year. Number 1 is you create a system for running your business. This includes all aspects, systems for designing, uploading, doing trend research, finding proven keywords, customer service, etc. You need to be consistent and efficient. The more consistent you are, the more you will get back. Not only in sales and reviews, but in business growth, self-growth, and self-accomplishment. The more efficient you are, the less time you waste and the more you're able to maximize time and get things done. If you haven't yet, create a system. If you don't have systems set up, you won't be able to create the lifestyle that you want and you'll be a slave to your own business. Number 2 is you have a desire to learn, improve, and implement. Once you start gaining momentum and making daily sales, it's very easy to be stagnant and complacent. And growth takes constant work. You can't plant a tree and just water it once. With that being said though, you have to define what success means to you or else you will never achieve it. Number 3 is you have to set actionable goals for your shop that you have full control over. Each day, be intentional with your progress and do things that will take your business to the next level. It's very easy to just maintain and do the housekeeping stuff, but if you do this, you'll see very little growth. Examples of goals you have control over include daily/monthly listing count goals, finding a new niche to design in each week, etc. You don't have control over the sales and reviews you get, but you do have control over the factors that lead to them. Number 4 is you invest in learning and in your business. Invest in your knowledge with books, courses, YouTube, etc. Invest in high quality mockups. Invest in programs and softwares that will improve your business's efficiency and quality. You can hire designers, marketers, someone to handle your customer service, to delegate jobs to free up your time and potentially bring more value to your business that you couldn't bring yourself. And remember, investing isn't always with money. You can invest your time and in people as well. Number 5 is you study the data because success leaves clues. Look at what's working in your shop and in other shops and don't overcomplicate it. If you have one design that's doing really well, that's a success clue that you should double down on it and add it to different products, tweak it a little bit to add it to different niches, and or find ways to improve it. I wish you guys success this coming new year, and if you want to know why 99% of sellers fail on Etsy, watch this video right here, and if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.